How to log in TikTok with Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can log into TikTok with Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log into TikTok with Facebook, all you have to do is first of all make sure that your Facebook account is linked with your TikTok account. Only after you've made sure of that, you will be able to log in with your Facebook account on TikTok. To get started, tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Here you can say sign up, but we don't want to sign up, we want to log in. So from the bottom you can see already have an account. Tap the login option. Now when you want to log in, you have many options to log in with your email, phone number, username, or your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Instagram. But since we're learning to actually log in with Facebook, we'll just tap the continue with Facebook option over here. Once I tap on continue with Facebook option, all we are going to do is we're going to simply allow the access. Once we've allowed the access for our TikTok account from the Facebook application, we will be able to successfully go ahead and then log in to our TikTok account right over here using our Facebook account here. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then log into TikTok using Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.